How to use magnification gestures to zoom in on your screen. Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video, I will teach you on how to use magnification gestures to zoom in on your screen. So now let's get started. To enable magnification gestures, first of all, open the Settings app on your Android device. Now navigate to Accessibility. Then click on Vision Enhancements. Now scroll down in the section of Size and Zoom. Again, tap on Magnification and toggle it on. Using magnification gestures to zoom in and out, triple tap the screen to zoom in and triple tap again to zoom out. To move around, after zooming in, swipe two fingers across the screen to navigate. To adjust zoom, drag two fingers up to zoom in or down to zoom out. These gestures help you zoom in or any area of your screen for improved visibility. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.